Good evening. In today's session, we are going to discuss regarding net zero. So, tomorrow in any examination, there may be a question on what is net zero. We know about the environment, we know about how the environment is getting degraded. So there are multiple reasons, and we have discussed all these during our regular sessions. Now, if you look at this net zero, in simple terms, this is considered to be a balance. This is considered to be a balance of the emission of the greenhouse gases by sources and removing those greenhouse gases by sinks. Emission of the greenhouse gases and removing them through sinks, that is called net zero. But how is it possible? Is it possible today? Is it possible tomorrow? That is the reason why. So during the this Paris climate conference, so there was an agreement that all the countries must announce that by which year they are going to achieve the levels of net zero. If you look at some of the countries in the world, China is considered to be the largest emitter of greenhouse gases, followed by America, and India is at number 3 position. So tomorrow it may be a question in the examination that which of the following country is the largest emitter of GHGs, greenhouse gases, and your answer should be China. And also remember, since India is in top 5, rather top 3, so there may be a question, what is the rank of India with respect to the emission of greenhouse gases? And your answer should be 3. So first is China, followed by United States of America, and India is at number 3 position. And most of the countries, rather more than 50% of the countries in the world, they have announced their target year, meaning by which year they are going to achieve this net zero. And if you look at China, it has announced that this is going to achieve by the year 2060, and America said it is by 2050. Like this, it vary from country to country. But when it comes to India, India is yet to announce the target year of net zero. So this is what the world is waiting for. So obviously, so there is a chance for India to be outcast. That's the reason why India should also announce a target year by which we are going to achieve the net zero. Regarding that, I have some information. I am going to show you that information, and after that I am also going to show you 2 questions, and those 2 questions let's answer. Look at this now. Here it is. So the topic is net zero. So when it comes to India, it is currently at a risk of becoming an outcast on matters related to climate action. This is because India not yet committed to net zero target year. So it may be announced at any time. But meanwhile, if there is a question, which of the following country has not yet announced the net zero target year, your answer should be India. Kindly remember, if India announces any particular year, that may also be a question in the examination. So that is the reason why following current affairs is very, very important. Reading newspaper is very important to score marks in the examination. So when it comes to the Paris Agreement, it underlines the need for net zero. And what is this? It requires the states to achieve, look at this very clear. So to achieve a balance between anthropogenic emissions by sources and removals by sinks of GHGs, greenhouse gases, in the second half of this century. So you need to announce a net zero target year. And if you look at this, the entire world, 50% of the global economy has already committed to net zero by the year 2050. And if you look at the largest emitter, China, China is the world's largest carbon emitter and has announced a net zero target for 2060. And when it comes to America, the second biggest emitter with a large historical emissions, returned to Paris Agreement with an ambitious 2050 net zero plan, meaning China 2060, America by 2050. And look at this. So America, for the whole carbon emissions, it is by 2050. And it also said that it will decarbonize its power sector by 2035. These 2 points are important. So when it comes to America, you should remember this 2050 and also 2035. If the question is very specific with respect to power sector, your answer will be 2035. Clear? But if it is overall net zero target, then your answer should be 2050. Am I clear? And similarly, European Union, right? So this is at least by 55% by 2030 over 1990 levels. So this is the commitment of China, commitment of America, and commitment of the European Union countries, and also the large number of countries in the world. But India has not yet announced this year. Right? Look at this. But when it comes to India, the world's third largest emitter, has neither announced the net zero year nor has submitted an updated climate plan to the UN with a raised carbon reduction ambition as required by the Paris Agreement every 5 years. So it is going to take time for India, right? And entire world is looking towards India for its commitment on net zero target. And if you look at the question here, which of the following countries has not yet committed to net zero target year? China committed, America committed, EU committed, India not committed. Clear? So answer should be option D. Next, which of the following are the top 3 countries to emit greenhouse gases? Clear? So these are the carbon emissions. What are the 3 top nations? I explained you already. So directly you can go to the answer: China, America, and India, and your answer should be option B. Right? So kindly remember the points like this. So that's about net zero, and that's all for the day. I'll see you in the next class with other current affairs. Thank you so much.